In front of me is Realme Narzo N61 and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by launching settings and hitting special features. Then tap on app lock here and use gray switcher next to app lock feature to activate it. If you don't have privacy password, you need to set it up to use app lock. To do that, hit settings in the pop-up, tap on use a different password type and select one of those login methods. Then create one, repeat it to confirm it, and answer a security question. If you don't like this one, you can click on it and change it, or even select custom question and create your own. Then answer correctly below and click on this check mark at the top right corner. Now to lock your apps, use gray switchers next to them and go back. So now when I try to access one, icons that privacy password is required. If you wish to disable app lock from any app, go back to the same settings and use now blue switchers next to them. To disable app lock completely, use blue switcher next to app lock feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!